Crave. Hey guys, today we are making these simple strawberry cupcakes with homemade cream cheese frosting. Part is super easy. We are just following the instructions that's on the back of the box. You'll need 3 eggs, vegetable oil, and water. Today is Mother's Day and I'm making these cupcakes for my mom. This is one of her favorite desserts that I make, and she loves the cream cheese frosting. So happy Mother's Day, Mom, and happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers that's out there as well. To combine everything, you can either use a whisk or a hand mixer, but I was crunched on time, so I'm using a hand mixer, and I believe that I got this at Target for about $20. I am using these cupcake liners to put my batter into. Another way to do it is to get some cooking spray and to spray your cupcake pan, but I didn't have time for that, so I'm just going to do it this way. Using 1/3 measuring cup to fill up my cupcake liners. You can't do this part right or wrong, so just fill it up to whatever you feel like is best. I also preheated my oven to 350. Cupcakes cook for 11 minutes and I let them cool for 5 minutes. Altogether I had 24 cupcakes. So now we are about to make our cream cheese frosting. You want everything for this to be at room temperature. You will need 1 package of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So I almost have everything all whisked up together. I think I'm going to give it one more go, and then you can leave this at room temperature while you get it ready to be piped onto your cupcakes. And once you do that, you can just set your cupcakes into the refrigerator and the icing will thicken up. Here is my favorite part, the super easy part. We are going to take a sandwich bag, we're going to fold it down, and we are going to turn this into a piping bag. You're going to take a scoop of the frosting and you're going to make sure that it's in the piping bag all the way and that it's not spilling out. You want to make sure it gets to one corner of the piping bag. Then you want to take your scissors and cut off the remainder piece, and then you're able to start frosting the cupcakes. There's really no right or wrong of doing this. You could do it however you want. This is just how I do them, just because I thought that I was a baker for a second. So I'm just going to continue to frost the rest of these cupcakes, and then after I will put them in the refrigerator. These are my strawberry cupcakes with homemade cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you for everything that you do for me and my brothers, and thank you for always loving me and supporting me.